Hello everyone, myself Varsha Dilip Nalge from Guru Nanak High School, Sindhi Camp, Akola. Today's my topic is probability. Before going to learn more about probability, let us see some examples. In our everyday life, we often come across such conversation like, see the first example, most probably the rain will start from today. In the second, the inflation is likely to rise. Third one day surely we will defeat coronavirus. Fourth, it is impossible to defeat Indian cricket team in the next match. And last one, there is no possibility of polio infection if a child is given the polio vaccine in time. In the above statement, the words probably, surely, likely to, impossible, no possibility, 50-50 are the words to express possibility for the future. It means that we cannot tell confirmly about the statement. जसं पहिले जे एक्झाम्पल आपण बघितलं की मोस्ट प्रोबॅबली द रेन विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे. आता इथे आपण एकदम कन्फर्मली सांगू शकत नाही की पाऊस हा आज पडेल. तो आज पडू पण शकतो किंवा पडणार पण नाही. म्हणजे इथे अनिश्चितता आहे. निश्चितपणे आपण त्याच्याप्रमाणे काहीही सांगू शकत नाही. तसंच द इन्फ्लेशन इज लाईकली टू राईज. महागाई जी आहे ही महागाई कदाचित वाढू पण शकेल किंवा वाढणार पण नाही. म्हणजे इथे पण या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये अनिश्चितता आहे. सिमिलरली इट इज इम्पॉसिबल टू डिफीट द इंडियन क्रिकेट टीम इन द नेक्स्ट मॅच. की नेक्स्ट मॅचमध्ये इंडियन टीमला पराभूत करणं समोरच्या टीमला कठीण जाईल किंवा तो पराभूत करू पण शकेल किंवा करणार पण नाही. हे जे काही सारे स्टेटमेंट आहेत ह्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये कुठेतरी अनिश्चितता आहे. आपण कोणत्याही स्टेटमेंटबद्दल निश्चितपणे काही सांगू शकत नाही. मग अशा स्टेटमेंटला मॅथमॅटिकल लँग्वेजमध्ये प्रोबॅबिलिटी असे म्हणतात. तर प्रोबॅबिलिटी इज नथिंग बट द अनसर्टेनिटी ऑर पॉसिबिलिटीज फॉर द फ्युचर. नाउ सी द कॉइन. हियर you have already familiar with the coin. Now tell me what are the possibilities of getting head or tail. Now here there are only two possibilities of getting head or tail since a coin has only two sides. It is first one the head and second one is the tail. So there are only two possibilities. Now let us look the dice. These dice again you have familiar while playing Ludo or snakes and ladders. Now again, can you tell the possibilities of getting a number on the uppermost face? Which number will come on the uppermost face? Can you tell me? Yeah. Again there are only 6 possibilities since a dice contains 1 to 6 numbers. Here again suppose we know that any day of the week. Now there are only 7 days in a week. So there are only 7 possibilities of getting any day of the week. All these are about the probability. It means that we are not surely tell which number we will get after throwing a die or which side we will get after tossing a coin. Now see the terms related to the probability. There are various terms related to the probability. The first term is random experiment. Now see, what do you mean by the random experiment? Random experiment is that experiment in which all possible results are known in advance but none of them can be predicted with the certainty. This is known as the random experiment. जसं तुम्ही पाहता की जेव्हा आपण सायन्सचे एक्सपेरिमेंट करतो तर सायन्सच्या एक्सपेरिमेंटमध्ये आपल्याला रिझल्ट काय मिळणार आहे हे माहीत असतं, पण एक्झॅक्टली काय मिळणार आहे, रिझल्ट मिळणार आहे हे माहीत आहे, पण एक्झॅक्टली कोणता मिळणार आहे याबद्दल आपण पहिलेच सांगू शकत नाही. तसंच एखादा कॉईन जेव्हा आपण टॉस करतो, आता जेव्हा मी हा कॉईन टॉस करेल तर कॉईन टॉस करताना मला हे माहीत आहे की मला एक तर हेड मिळेल किंवा टेल मिळेल, पण एक्झॅक्टलीच हेड मिळेल किंवा टेल मिळेल हे मी पहिलेच सांगू शकत नाही. तसंच व्हेन वी थ्रो अ डाय, I know that there are 6 numbers. Out of these 6 numbers, I will get one number definitely. But which that one, I don't know exactly. Similarly, any month of the year, we know that there are 12 months in a year. But which month, I don't know. So all these are the random experiment. Means in this experiment we know the result, but we cannot tell them advancedly ki which will appear. This is called the random experiment. Now second one is the outcome. Now again, what do you mean by outcome? Outcome is nothing but the result of random experiment. It means that when we toss a coin, I will get either head or either tail. Similarly, when I throw a dice, I will get 1 to 6, any number from 1 to 6. So that is a outcome. Means this is the result of a random experiment. Now we know that picking a card from a well shuffled pack of deck. Again, this deck you have familiar. Now in this deck there are total 52 cards. Out of these 52 cards, 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Here look at, out of 52 cards, 26 cards are red and 26 cards are black. Out of these 26 red cards, there are 13 heart cards and 13 diamond card. Again, out of 26 black cards, there are 13 club cards and 13 spade card. In this 13 heart card, there are 1 to 10 numbers, 1 jack, 1 queen and 1 king. Similarly, here also 1 to 10 numbers, 1 king, 1 jack and 1 queen. Again, in 13 club cards, there is a jack, king, queen and 1 to 10 numbers. And last, in the 13 spade cards, there are again 1 to 10 numbers, a jack, a queen and a king. Now king, queen and jack, this is known as the face card, because faces appear on this card. Look at here. Sorry, here there are 4 queen, 4 jack in a well shuffled pack.
3, 2, 1.
It means in all there are total 12 face card in a deck. 3 of diamond, 3 of spade, 3 of heart and 3 of club. Now carefully listen that these 4 ace cards are not included in the face card. These are the separate. These are not included in this 12 face card. So next one is the equally likely outcomes. Now again see, what do you mean by equally likely outcomes? Now if a die is thrown, then any one of the number 1 to 6 may appear on the face, upper face of the die. It means that each number is equally likely to occur. However, if a die is so formed that a particular face comes up most often, then that die is biased die. It means that if you throw the dice and you will get 6, again if you throw the dice, again you will get 6, many times you will get 6, then it means that this dice is a biased dice. and in this case the outcomes are not likely to occur equally. This is known as the equally likely outcome. Thank you.